To buy items in the Roblox Marketplace, follow these simple steps. Access the Marketplace/Avatar shop. Go to the Marketplace. On the Roblox website or app, find and click or tap on Marketplace or Avatar shop. Find your item. Search for specific items. You can use the search bar to look for specific items like hat, pants, or any other item you're interested in. Browse categories. If you want to explore, you can browse by categories like accessories, clothing, body, and more. Use the arrows or menu to navigate between them. Use filters. You can narrow down your search by applying filters for price, creator, or sales type. Select the item. Choose an item. Once you find an item you like, click on it to see the detailed page. You'll get a closer look at the item and its description. Check price and buy, price and Robux balance. On the items page, you'll see the price listed along with the green buy button. Your Robux balance will be shown in the top right corner of the page. Buy the item. If the buy button is green and clickable, you have enough Robux to make the purchase. Click on it to proceed. If the button is faded, that means you either don't have enough Robux or the item is unavailable. Confirm purchase, complete the transaction. After clicking the buy button, a confirmation screen will appear. Simply tap or click buy now to complete the purchase. And that's it. Once you confirm, the item will be added to your inventory, and you can equip it to your avatar right away.